Well, hello, students, and welcome to another episode of Jay's Learning School, where I have the opportunity to help you understand and speak better English. On today's English lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use the words cry, cries, crying, or cried in various ways. I'm going to provide for you, as always, some sentences that you can practice so you can speak better English. Now, as always, I want to invite you, if you're not a subscriber, join the class. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the notification bell as well, so you can be notified each week when I release 2 to 3 different videos to help you speak better English. And it would really help the channel if you would smash that like button. Well, let's get into today's lesson. Of course, when we're talking about crying, we're talking about when a person weeps or sheds tears because of pain or joy. Crying is something that takes place in life sooner or later, whether you are a child or an adult. So let's look at some examples of how you can use the word cries, crying, or cried in a sentence. The baby cries when she is hungry. Again, the baby cries when she is hungry. Another example that you can use to practice using the word cry in various tenses would be, he was in the bathroom crying because he lost his job. He was in the bathroom crying because he lost his job. Another example that would help you use this would simply be, he cried because the bee stung his lips. He cried because the bee stung his lip. So you see the various tenses of the word cry. I want to make sure that you practice these so you can speak better English. Another example, he made the game-winning shot, or after he made the game-winning shot, he was crying. After he made the game-winning shot, he was crying. Simply expressing joy, happiness. So some people express that by crying. He cried when his grandmother died. So a time of mourning, a time of pain, a time where a person is hurting, they may cry. And so you would say, he cried when his grandmother died. I don't know about you, but my grandmother recently passed a few years ago, and I definitely shed a tear when she passed. She cried when she won the $1,000 prize. She cried when she won the $1,000 prize. Have you ever won anything? $1,000 is a nice sized piece of money. And I would definitely probably cry some tears of joy. And I wouldn't care who was around. And so a great way to practice this, she cried when she won the $1,000 prize. I want to thank you for watching today's quick English lesson to help you better use the word cry, cries, cried, or crying. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and make sure you subscribe here on my YouTube channel as I release 2 to 3 different free English lessons throughout the week that will help you to speak better English. While you're here, be sure to watch some more of my videos, and I hope you join me on my next English lesson. Have a wonderful day.